One day, when you try accessing the Windows desktop, you may find out that it has turned pink or purple. If this is also happening to you, here's what you can do. Now, before you try the detailed solutions, you might want to check out a couple of quick fixes first, like checking your cables and ensuring that everything is connected properly. Restarting your Windows device could also help. But if that did not work, restart File Explorer. Do that by opening Task Manager, navigate to Processes tab, right-click on Windows Explorer, then select Restart. If it still does not work, disable color filters. Do that by opening Settings, click Keys of Access from the menu items, click Color Filters on the left-hand side, turn off the Turn on Color Filters option on the right side, and then finally, uncheck the Allow the shortcut key to toggle filter on or off box. Lastly, configure nightlight settings by opening Settings, click Display, and turn off the nightlight option on the right side. Now you can try to schedule nightlight if you really needed it. So that's what you should do when your Windows desktop turns pink or purple. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.